All right, well, we're here to talk about your consumer safety protections, especially during the holiday season. Right off the bat, shopping online is huge nowadays. I've already made a couple purchases today. What should people keep in mind when they're spending money online?
Well, the most amount of money that people will spend either on gifts or on charitable giving takes place, of course, during the holiday season between Thanksgiving and Christmas. And especially now with the surge in COVID across the state, more people are going to shop online than actually in a brick and mortar store. But obviously, there's a lot of differences because when you're shopping at an actual store, you know that is a real store and you know the product that you're purchasing because you can feel it, you can see it in person. You don't always know that when you're shopping online. So just some sort of common practices that we suggest for people. And I'm hoping that you will, of course, connect this to your website or put it up on your screen so that people can first check. Please, it's a great idea to go through just these basic safety measures before doing a lot of online shopping. So the first thing you really should do is secure your computer or mobile device with up-to-date antivirus and anti-spyware software. And you want to set your operating system in your web browser.
Appreciate it.
Sorry, a little
Sorry
loud
about
out there.
that.
That's all right. You want to set your operating system in your web browser to update automatically so it ensures your devices have all the latest protections. And make sure that you're using a pop-up blocker so that you're not opening any files or links or don't click on any download programs that are sent to you from a stranger. That's a recipe for disaster. They're trying to implant spyware into your device. So definitely don't click on any of that. But if you're shopping online, firstly, we suggest and we recommend that you don't use a public Wi-Fi and you use a secure network at your house. But if you have to do that, please just install a virtual private network or a VPN, and that allows you to securely send and receive information, even on a shared or a public network. We'd also recommend that the site you use has something called Ssl Encryption, and that stands for Secure Sockets Layer Encryption. And how you'll know it is because the site will start with HTTPS instead of just HTTP. It makes a big difference, and you'll know it because there's a locked padlock icon that'll appear just to the left of the URL in the web address bar. Make sure that the address is secure before you start shopping on it. But really importantly is to know that you're shopping at a real store because there's a lot of fake, fraudulent online retailers out there, people just trying to scam you. And they don't actually have a store and they don't actually have any products. So sometimes, you'll be scrolling down Facebook or Instagram and, something really cute will pop up. You see a jacket or a sweater you really like, and you go to a retailer and you're like, well, I never even heard of this store before. Well, sometimes because it's not a real store. So what you want to do is you want to look it up and see what the reviews are. Check with the Better Business Bureau online and find out if this is an actual store or not. And if it is, what are their products like? You might want to do an online image search, actually, of the product you're trying to find. And you want to make sure that whatever the store is, they have a customer service phone number that you can actually call up. If they don't have one of those, it's not a real store or they're not selling anything that you want to buy. The other thing you want to make sure is that you can return the product if there's something wrong with it or if it doesn't fit or it's just not what you thought you were ordering. So you always want to look up what are the terms of the deal, right? First of all, when's the delivery date? When are you going to receive it by? And locate and become familiar with whatever the return policy is. Like, can you return the item for a full refund? And if so, who's paying for the shipping costs? And are there any restocking fees? These are the things you want to find out about so you don't get burned later. So, these are just some of the issues that we're seeing. I will say that if you are shopping on Instagram or on Facebook, what we're seeing is for luxury goods, about 1 in 4 of those items turns out to actually be a counterfeit. So you have to be incredibly careful and, look for things like international, trademarks that are listed. And so you can be more familiar with it before you're buying something that's very different than what you think it is.
So in that same vein, we're making sure our Wi-Fi is secure. We're checking the websites. Say, and we're spending using our credit cards and our debit cards. On the back end, what's a good way that we can protect that type of information?
Well, firstly, you want to make sure, if you possibly can, please use a credit card and not a debit card or not some other cash pay system. Because if you're using a credit card, you should be able to get your money back if you've been scammed. And you'll be able to fill out a complaint form, and more often than not, your credit card company won't make you pay for it. That's not true, though, if it's a debit card. Once you pay for it, that money's gone and you're not getting it back. And that's true for a lot of other types of payment systems. So that's something that you can definitely do. You want to make sure, of course, that your passwords are updated and that they're very, very strong, and try to use a different password for, say, your banking than you would for when you're shopping at stores and you have to sign in. You don't want that to be the same password over and over again. And you also want to make sure that you have really two different email accounts. It's really best to set up a totally separate email account just for your online shopping. First of all, you want to read their, privacy policy and make sure that they have one. And you want to unclick that box that asks you if you want to receive coupons or latest sales alerts. You will be inundated with emails. You'll be totally buried if you don't set up a separate account, especially if you plan to do a lot of online shopping. It's really important to do. I'm trying to think of some other tips. We have so many things in here. I do want to make people aware of high pressure sales tactics that you'll see that try to get you to buy something right away without really doing your research. So if you see things that are, notices that, watch out, a product's almost sold out, or there's a timer and it'll limit the time that a product can stay in your shopping cart, or messages that a product's high in demand, or even a countdown timer, probably not a good idea to buy that product. The reason they're doing that is they want you to make a purchase immediately without looking up things like, if it's a real store or, reviews on the product. And so you want to really be careful of that and stay away from those products.
So worst case scenario, say you do get scammed. We've followed all the protections and protocols, and say it happens. What's the best way to try and get your money back, and where can you report it so it doesn't happen to anyone else?
Well, you definitely want to report it to us at the Michigan Department of Attorney General, our Consumer Protection Division. Let us know. You can, email us, you can call, you can send a fax, you can send it by, mail, and let us know what the problem is. And not only can we try to help you get your money back, but if your identity has been stolen, we can help you with that as well. We have a new program that's called MITS, the Michigan Identity Theft Support System. And you'll be able to talk to a real person, and we will walk you through step by step how to reclaim your identity, so that if your information is out there, if you did click on the wrong link and you've been subject to a scam, we can help you get your credit back, your identity back, and not have you feeling so vulnerable the way we all do once we figure out that we've been taken advantage of.
Thank you so much for your time. Is there anything you'd like to add or mention?
Well, there's like a million things on here, but I think it'd be great if you have it like right on your website, look here before you start your holiday shopping, because we could talk for like 3 hours about all these tips, but I just think if somebody reviews this stuff, I know you said you already started doing your shopping, but if somebody just reviews some of this stuff, just keep it fresh in their mind when they're shopping, they're just going to be less likely to be taken advantage of. And I guarantee there's nobody that's going to get through the holiday season if they're doing all their shopping online without something happening, if they're not staying really vigilant and alert. And that's what we're trying to avoid.